Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing open source tool called Recordly. If you've ever wanted to create polished, professional-looking screen recordings without spending a dime, this is the tool for you. As you can see on their website, Recordly is completely free, forever. It supports auto zoom, you can use it for commercial purposes under the AGPL3 license, and best of all, your recordings stay completely private because it runs entirely offline. It's available on macOS, Windows, and Linux, so no matter what platform you're on, you're covered. Let's take a deeper look. Let's check out the GitHub repository. Recordly describes itself as a tool for producing polished, pro-grade screen recordings, and it really delivers. Looking at the core features, we've got auto zooms that automatically emphasize your activity with smooth camera movement, cursor polish to make your mouse look clean and professional, and styled frames to give your recordings that premium look. There's also dynamic webcam bubble overlays, which is perfect if you want to add a face cam to your tutorials. The timeline editing interface is intuitive with drag and drop, speed adjustments, and annotations. And check this out, there's an extensions and marketplace where you can install custom add-ons like new cursors or frames. The full feature list covers everything from capturing specific windows and system audio to cursor smoothing and path adjustments. This thing is packed. Back on the website, let's look at some more features. You can record system and microphone audio simultaneously, save and load projects so you can come back and work on your recordings later, and export in different formats, MP4 for video and GIF for quick shareable clips. Super flexible. Now let's talk about installation. On GitHub, you'll find pre-built releases you can download directly. If you're on Arch Linux or Manjaro, you can install it through the AUR. And for Windows and macOS users, there are instructions for building from source. The system requirements are pretty reasonable. You'll need macOS 14.4 or later, or Windows 10 build 19.04.1 and above. The workflow is dead simple. Launch the app, select your window, record, edit, and export. That's it. Now let's jump into the actual Recordly editor. This is where the magic happens. On the side panel, you've got background settings where you can choose between an image, video, solid color, or gradient as your frame background. Under Effects, I'm adjusting the shadow to 67%, the radius to 100 pixels for those nice rounded corners, and the padding to 20%. And look at that. It creates this beautiful floating window effect. Your recordings instantly look 10 times more professional. There's even more to explore. Recordly has a loop cursor path feature. You can import external audio and webcam footage, and it's completely free and open source. And check this out, it's trusted by professionals at companies like NVIDIA, Google, and Apple. That says a lot about the quality of this tool. Oh, and we just got an update notification. Version 1.1.3 is available, so the developers are actively improving it. Love to see that. Let's dive deeper into the editing experience. I've got a project open, and you can see the timeline at the bottom with my recorded clip. Now watch this. I'm changing the background to this vibrant orange and blue gradient. You can really get creative with the styling. I'm also adjusting the crop settings to focus on a specific area of my recording. Super useful for highlighting important parts. Now here's a killer feature, the Captions tab. You just select your language, hit Generate Captions, and Recordly will automatically transcribe and time sync your text. That's a huge time saver. In the settings, you've got options for language, auto updates, and your export directory. And the Extensions tab opens up the marketplace for community-made add-ons. Let me show you the extensions in action. I'm installing the Cool Cursors extension. And there we go. Success. Now I've got more visual options for my mouse pointer, which adds a nice touch to recordings. And now for my favorite feature, auto zoom. I'm adding zoom points on the timeline, and watch what happens when the playhead reaches them. The camera smoothly zooms in to wherever my cursor is active. You can fine-tune the zoom smoothness and zoom intensity to get it just right. This is what makes Recordly stand out. It gives your recordings that polished, professional feel automatically. And that wraps up our tour. If you want to learn more, check out the GitHub repo for the full documentation, and join the community on Discord or Twitter. That's Recordly, a free open-source screen recording tool that punches way above its weight. Whether you're creating tutorials, demos, or presentations, Recordly makes your recordings look professional with minimal effort. Links to the website and GitHub are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of Recordly. See you in the next one.